Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review close-up swatches of the 3CE Syrup Layering Tint. Now, my apologies, I've had this probably for over almost a year now, and I finally got the time to actually do a review. It's no excuses for me, but I just find it really hard to just review lip content videos lately. I just feel like life just got busy with work and a kid and stuff like that. I just feel like doing lip swatches, like as much as I enjoy doing reviews of lip swatches, I just feel like I just don't have the time, and I'm really sorry you guys. And I just have so many lippers here to review, but I decided to do the 3CE first because I love 3CE so much. Their lip products are great. But without further ado, let's get the review started. First of all, this one comes in 7 colors, and I have all 7 colors, and I'm really glad that they haven't added more colors to this. Fingers crossed by the time I upload this that they haven't. This one is supposed to give you this clear, refreshing, lightweight, dewy finish on your lips, and it's like such a trend lately to have like this glowy, dewy, clear type of glossy finish on your lips rather than your usual like matte, thick, moussey, you know, like highly pigmented lip tint or lipstick, which I tend to go for most of the time. This is supposed to give you like a 42% moisture on your lips as well, so it's great for those who have dry lips like me. This also gives you like this whole 3-coat layering tint as well, so if you want like a very clear layer, you can just stick to your 1 coat, but if you want a bit more pigmentation, you can put 2 coats, and the highest coat you can do is like 3 coat before there's only so much pigmentation you can get. So for me here, this is about 2-3 coat to get the color, and for me, my recommendation is that because I have highly pigmented lips, usually 1 coat is not really suitable for me for this particular lip tint, just because I feel like it's so clear that you don't really see much of the color if you just stick to 1 coat. In terms of the comfort, I definitely find it very comfortable. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing on the lips. It feels really comfortable. You can't see any of the dryness on my lips, which is great. For me, unfortunately, I just feel like because it's so clear and like sheer, I just feel like there's only so much colors it can build up on my lips before it all started looking the same. So I'm sure you guys will see from my swatches that there are some colors that looks like very similar to the previous colors because of my highly pigmented lips. So that's the only boo-boo for me. In terms of the longevity, it's not that long lasting because again it's leaning towards that dewy, clear, refreshing look, which means that it's much more sheer, it's not pigmented. I don't think it will last long. But in terms of, you know, like able to actually touch up, it's really easy. You still get that really nice dewy finish. For the transfer, I've done like a coffee test because I have a mug of coffee here, and it does transfer instantly, but I want to test it now on my hands. It doesn't really transfer as much. You just see a little bit of that gloss coming out, and it does stain a big time, guys. Just FYI, the darker the colors are, the more stain you get on your lips. Without further ado, we're gonna get started with the color swatches. First one is called Afternoon Peach, and they call this like a soft, sweet, nude peach color. Totally agree, and I find that for me, I can see a little bit of that orange undertone going on as well. Then we have a light pink, which is like a cool, pure, clean light pink, which is what they call. And when I first applied this, it really giving me that whole Barbie pink vibe, where you get like this fluorescent light pink color. We have Grapeful, just like its name, you get a combo of grape and berry color. I absolutely love this color because I feel like I see that purple undertone berry shade with a combination of pink as well, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. I love how dark the color is as well. Single Cherry, just like its name, is like a cherry red color, but leaning towards much more of that fresh, clear looking side. With this one, I think it's nice. However, I feel like this one really goes onto my teeth. It does transform my teeth, and also I feel like it just makes my teeth a little bit yellow when I do put this on. Then we have Sober Fake, and just like the name, it tends to be inspired by the fake color, but I like that this is a very nice warm undertone to it compared to the the other 7 colors that they have released in this collection. So if you're looking for a very nice, warm, beautiful, fake pink shade, this will be it for you. Second to last is called STAYFUL, and this is leaning towards a bright, clear sunset red, very similar to Single Cherry, but I feel like this is much more of a orange undertone. And again with this one as well, I feel like it looks like my teeth is really yellow when I do put this on. Last but not least is Youth Coral, which is the one I'm currently wearing right now, and this one is supposed to give you like a coral color with a 2 pink shade going on. For me, I feel like with this one, I've layered about 2 or 3 times. I still feel like it's actually quite sheer on me. I see a little bit of the color still. I see that really cool pink undertone. I'm leaning towards a lighter pink, but I feel like at the same time it's sort of combining with my pigmented lips. So for me, this one's actually probably the most sheer one compared to all the other 7. So as you guys can see from the lip swatches, they are really beautiful, but there's only 2 colors that I really technically like and will probably tend to wear them more. The first one would be the Grateful one, which is the beautiful berry color shade. The second one would be the Sober Fake, which is leaning towards the warm one. So overall, I find that these colors are nice, but at the same time they're all very bright, not so much warm undertone apart from that one Sober Fake. And the other thing as well, which I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, is that most of this, because of how watery this consistent is, if you're not careful, most of the time when you do apply, it does go into your teeth, which means it also stains your teeth as well. And so for me, I feel like half of the time I'm just trying to be very careful when I do apply this, because if not, it does stain my teeth and also make my teeth very yellow. So if you guys want to try this out, just be mindful of that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think, and please let me know if you guys have tried this and whether you guys agree with me as well. I would love to know your thoughts, and I'm so sorry for the delay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.